Is your recruitment software not keeping up with the times? Are users grappling with manual processes? It's time for a smarter solution. Introducing you to Affinda's AI Recruitment Suite, containing 5 intelligent products to automate your processes, including our resume parser, our resume redactor, a resume summary tool, our job description parser, and our candidate search and match solution. Let's test out our resume parser trusted by industry leaders like Seek. Simply drag and drop your resumes, and within 2 to 3 seconds, Affinda delivers structured data with an impressive 95% accuracy in key fields. Affinda extracts a comprehensive range of data, including personal details, education, and work history. Click on any of the fields on the right to easily trace its origin in the original resume. Is your current solution struggling to identify skills? Affinda has got you covered. Our software maps raw values to common industry skill taxonomies. Customers can also customize this mapping to align with their internal frameworks. The extracted resume data can then be exported in JSON or XML format for seamless platform integration. Our API reference guide and open-source library on GitHub also makes integration easy. There's no need for complex demos, just explore our well-documented, developer-friendly APIs. Need more information about how to use our products? Our detailed product guide has all the answers. No matter what your platform is, whether it's an ATS, HRM, or job board, our resume parser and recruitment products integrate seamlessly with your existing systems. So why choose Affinda? Not only do we offer the world's leading resume parser, but the suite allows you to rank candidates using our search and match tool, explore and export redacted resumes to reduce bias, and generate fast candidate summaries, all from a single workspace. Are you ready to deliver smarter, faster, and more accurate hiring experiences? See what our AI Recruitment Suite can do for your platform. Get in touch or try it out for free at affinda.com.